In this video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone sending green SMS text messages. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's go and jump straight into this guide. Here we are on my iPhone, and let's get into some fixes and some explanations for why your iPhone may be sending green messages. So if you didn't know, a blue message is an iMessage and a green message is a traditional SMS, which is sort of sent using your mobile phone network instead of iMessage, which goes and just uses the internet or cellular data. So the main reason why messages aren't being sent as iMessages is because iMessage is disabled on your phone. To go and enable it, all you need to do is go and close off your messages and then go and open up the settings app. Then what you need to do is scroll down until you go and see messages just here below phone and above FaceTime. Then what you need to do is make sure iMessage is switched on. As you can see, mine is toggled on, it's green. If it was turned off, it looked like what focus looks like at the top of my screen there. Go and switch it on and go and set it up, and then you'll be able to go and send iMessages. Now, another reason for why iMessage isn't working and your texts are sending as traditional messages, SMS messages, this is because you don't have enough cellular data to go and send an iMessage. As I just said, iMessage requires a connection to the internet or cellular data. So if you don't have that, then what your phone is going to go and do is try and send it as an SMS. Now, if you just don't want this to happen at all, what you can do is go back to your messages settings and scroll down, and you can go and disable send as SMS like so. It says send as SMS when iMessages are unavailable. So this means is that when iMessages isn't available, SMSs aren't going to be sent. So you can go and set with that if you'd like. And another reason for why your iPhone is sending green text messages, this is because the person you're sending a text to doesn't have an iPhone. iMessage is only going to work when you're sending a message between an iPhone or another Apple device or an iPhone. So yeah, that's probably why. So you could always go and use another app like WhatsApp if you like to go and send messages over the internet because you have a poor signal or something like that. So there we go, guys. The main fix is really to go and enable iMessage, or alternatively go and connect to the internet or get a stronger cellular data connection. Alternatively, you could go and use another app like WhatsApp if you're trying to message someone using an Android. However, you still won't be able to use iMessage because it's an Android phone and iMessage is for Apple devices. If you guys found this useful, please go down below and leave a like. Peace.